design, construction, performance, style, safety, and strength.
Hi, I'm Wade Sumpter, President of Glass Ply Marine Industries. For 22 years, we've been building the Northwest's finest boat. Some would say the world's. That's because we judge a boat by how it looks and performs in 15 to 20 years. A lot about a boat's invisible. The quality of materials, the strength. That's why today we'd like to show you how we build the world's finest boat.
For 22 years, the Glass Ply hull has been the industry standard for rough water design. Through experience and technology, it remains so today. The modern styling has evolved from Glass Ply's traditional lines and from the strength and form of its proven hull. This design excellence determines the boat's potential. The execution will determine everything else. Execution at Glass Ply is traditional craftsmanship, advanced techniques, and the absolute best materials money can buy. The result is a boat worthy of its lifetime guarantee. To begin construction, Glass Ply starts with a state-of-the-art facility. The lighting and ventilation systems eliminate shadows and the need for respirators, allowing workers the comfort and visibility to perform exacting work. This work begins with the hull. The mold receives as many as 6 fine layers of carnauba wax, assuring a flawless exterior to the boat. Next, the gel coat is applied. This space-age mixture becomes the highly durable exterior of a Glass Ply. It also determines the color. After the gel coat is cured, a single layer of chopped fiberglass and resin is added. This will insulate the gel coat from chemically reacting with the materials that follow. The layup process is the skilled application of heavy woven fiberglass roving and resin. The resin is tested for perfect chemical balance. The 24-ounce roving is the strongest made. Multiple layers with heavy overlapping at all critical areas produces a hull of unsurpassed strength. Woven fiberglass roving is not only the strongest material available for a fiberglass boat, it also guarantees absolute consistency of thickness and strength through the entire hull. To avoid problems unfortunately found in other boats, Glass Ply's fiberglass hull stringers are 5 times the strength of wood, with less weight and none of the rot. Because wood is destroyed by time and water, it is not used in a single structural element of a Glass Ply. This wisdom has given Glass Ply boats the highest resale value in the industry. Transverse members are then glassed in place. This unique process creates a unitized grid that will be the backbone of this superior hull. Chopped strand and composite core materials are used to bridge and stiffen each element. The liners, laid up with woven roving, act as a hull within a hull, further locking all parts together and providing a solid, durable surface for cruising, fishing, or working. Each deck is laid up through the same process as the hull. As solid as each is, the immense strength of a Glass Ply boat comes from its unitized construction. Hull and deck are permanently glass welded while each is still in the mold. This method is far more exacting and time-consuming than any other, Yet it is the only way to produce a perfect mating of the two. One part reinforcing its counterpart. The bond is absolute. And the boat has also had time to properly cure. The result is a single unit, perfect in its design and strength. The reward is a boat that performs as one, not parts working against one another. The process continues with the same attention to quality. Lights, vents, hinges, stanchions, fittings, and thick-walled rails are all of first-quality marine stainless steel. All deck hardware is stud-mounted and through-bolted with backing pads that are glass-welded to the underside of the hull. The highest quality fittings installed to stay. Fuel tanks are heavy-gauge aluminum, pressure-tested before and after installation. Electrical systems are clean and solid, with excellent access for additions or service. Glass Ply offers 3 high-quality options for power. Merc Cruiser, OMC, and Volvo Penta are available on boats featuring inboards or outdrives. When the last quality inspection is passed, another thoroughbred Glass Ply is ready for the open water. Ready for exhilarating performance and trouble-free recreation. Ready for conditions that keep other boats in port. Ready for years and years of solid operation and value. Glass Ply's faith in its product is clear by its lifetime guarantee and by this completely unique demonstration. A 50-foot freefall. With absolutely no damage. In philosophy and practice, a Glass Ply is how a boat should be built.